How to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you want to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there click on digital well-being. And here click on restricted mode. As you can see, the restricted mode is turned on. So click on turn off the red button, and here it will ask you to enter the passcode that you've entered once you set the restricted mode. So go ahead, and once you have entered the passcode, click on next to confirm. And as you can see, the restricted mode has been turned off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off and disable the age restriction on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.